Strike hard, strike fast. No, we're not talking about my sex life. We're talking about Strike Industries here at SHOT Show 2025. Speaking of sexy, I'm here with Josh, but we also have a P90. I'm a huge P90 perv. You guys know that. Love the P90 system. Everyone on Twitter, Reddit, whatever, is like, James, go by here, go by here. Like, we know you love the P90. You're going to go nuts for this. I think this is cool as shit. Tell me everything about it, Josh.
Yeah, absolutely. So, the first thing is it's a great platform. The P90 is just fun. It's got actually some real good use cases in the world. There's some things we wanted to update. First is that grip angle. Correcting the grip angle to something closer to like a standard AR grip. It makes it a little bit more pointable, a little bit easier for all of us in manual of arms. From there, we go feature rich. So our own M-Lock and Picatinny front guards. We're looking at doing a couple interesting things for the sighting system. So if you have an original P or PS, you might recognize something that comes out later on. Adjustable cheek pad. So cheek riser comes up down, give you an actual cheek weld instead of kind of hunting and pecking like you have to do with the PS. You'll see our little yellow cord here. So that's a little cable management that we've done on a lot of our, grips and everything else. Bring that forward and you can kind of see that dive into the firearm itself and kind of go through the whole body.
Yeah, what is this?
That's probably teasing something that will be done later.
Come on, you
to maybe
teasing son of a bitch.
Correct.
What's it made out of?
Oh, so it's our own polymer. So we've been doing polymer products for a very long time. We did a lot of research and development into making our own blend of polymer. And so, it'll be a polymer clamshell design using all the internals from your PS.
How difficult is this going to be as an install? Everyone here watching TFBTV knows that I have certified brain damage. It's hard for me to put stuff together like I'm a terrible gunsmith, even though I've been doing this for 20 plus years. But if I buy this, how hard is this going to be for me to do?
Can you take down your P90?
Barely.
You're good to go.
So I can barely assemble this. Then
some gunsmithing may be required.
And I see that we've got separate different configurations here. Talk to me about this. What are the different configurations available? I'm going to grab this one. I'm actually going to put it in my bag. I really appreciate the Strike Industries grenade launcher that comes in this package, right?
37 mic flare launcher. No destructive devices just yet. Yeah, absolutely. With the PS90, obviously it's a full rifle version. We wanted to increase the amount of real estate you get. So a little bit more on the M-Lock, a little bit more on the Picatinny. One thing I did forget to mention is we did actually open up that ID also. So about 90% of the cans on the market are going to fit in there. Obviously, that could be picky.
Sure. No, and I saw that too. That's really cool that you guys got a suppressor underneath that handguard.
Our initial prototypes, we did a skinny rail. It was kind of nice and sexy and real fit good. But then you go, oh, no, I can't use my suppressor.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. So we just did that. Like I said, on the flare launcher. I mean, who doesn't want a 37 mic?
Yeah, sure.
It is completely removable. Does come with a butt stock and a forward grip too.
Yeah, sure. Yeah. Of course, why not? So talk to me then about these the package pricing and availability. When are they going to come out?
So pricing is still kind of up in the air right now.
That's fine. It's SHOT Show. I get it.
I'd be lying if I gave it to you. We are talking Q2, Q3. As a standard Strike Industries thing, I'll say more maybe a little bit later because we like to tease.
Yeah, of course you do. Yeah, we've established that right at the beginning. Yeah, so you guys are still working on a few things where I kind of see this going. I've got the P90. I like the P90. I like the chassis. But, man, if I had a PS90, I couldn't SBR or something. This looks way better than having that stupid-ass barrel. Like, this actually looks cool as shit. And if anything, it's a reason to get that additional performance, to get the PS90 with the 16-inch barrel. And you actually have a compact, cool-looking platform that's also very functional. So, to me, even though that's the sexy one over there, this, I think, is the most commercially significant thing that you guys are showing in the booth this year.
Yeah, it's a great read on it. I mean, SBRs are great and fun and cool. Not everybody can have them. So we're going to sell more PS90s than we sell P90s. I know that. But we, as Strike Industries, always want to give you the option of doing your own stuff. I ain't your dad. I'm not telling you how to live. So, you just do your thing.
Yeah,
we're going to support it.
I'll tell you, you can really do your thing with an extra half foot of barrel on the end of this. So I think that's kind of neat.
They always said size didn't matter.
God, this is going to be the most heavily censored video of SHOT Show 2025. Guys, thanks for watching our SHOT Show 2025 coverage. Make sure you subscribe to TFBTV Showtime and stay tuned because we're bringing you more.